Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about ingenious ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Remember Aladdin's magic lamp, the one that had the power to make anyone wealthy? Well, today we call that thing crypto, and it does quite the same thing. Right investment and patience can actually deliver extraordinary benefits and make you super rich in the long run. And Bitcoin is the perfect example to prove it. We know that what has happened with Bitcoin is something that happens very rarely in history. A person who invested $19,000 in Bitcoins, right at the peak of the 2017 bull run, found their investments dip by around 75 to 80%. But patience sure pays, and he earned 300% more after a gap of 3 years. Since then, lots of people are showing their interest in the crypto market and investing. According to Cryptominati Capital, crypto space is attracting investors, entrepreneurs, and individuals to invest and make new projects. But things are not like that. It is not as easy as it used to be now, but patience and an analytical approach will yield good returns. The crypto market has now turned into a fierce Wild West to get into the market with unpredictable components. Here are some outlines to better understand dollars and cryptocurrency market. Storing cryptocurrencies in a software wallet is like carrying cash in an actual wallet, available and waiting to be used. Putting cryptocurrency in a savings protocol is similar to depositing money in a savings account. The savings protocol pays you interest on the use of the service. In the same way, banks pay interest on some savings accounts. Storing cryptocurrency and borrowing from yourself is like putting money into a retirement account or getting a loan from it. Trading tokens on a cryptocurrency exchange is similar to trading shares on a stock exchange. Tokens represent blockchains, and stock-like protocols represent businesses. Get a crypto wallet for buying, trading, and storing. You will require a place to store your crypto, a wallet. You can pick a software wallet, like an app, or a hardware wallet, an offline sort of device like a flash drive. Most software wallets, also known as hot wallets, are easy to recover if you lose your phone. Most hardware wallets, also known as cold wallet, ain't easy to recover if you lose them. Since software wallets are online, it's faster and easier to trade or spend crypto, but vulnerable to online attacks that could lead to stolen funds. Hardware wallets are offline and impossible to hack, but the risk of getting lost or stolen is always there, like in any other real wallet. You can skip these steps by installing an exchange app like Coinbase, CoinMarketCap, etc. This is the fastest way to start buying and trading cryptocurrencies. Your assets are stored in an exchange-managed wallet, which adds some risk. You are a hacker trying to steal millions of dollars. It's a good idea to spend time hacking major exchanges to gain access to thousands of wallets. Hacking a software wallet is probably a waste of time. Tips from experts: how to invest in cryptocurrency safely. Investments are always risky. Experts say cryptocurrency is one of the riskier investment choices in the market. However, digital currency is also the hottest asset. Currently, the global cryptocurrency market cap is $2.66t, and it is expected to rise impeccably. If you're willing to invest in digital currencies, the following tips will help you make educated choices. Research exchanges. Learn about cryptocurrency exchanges before investing $1. These platforms provide a medium to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. According to Bitcoin.com, more than 500 exchanges are available to choose from. Do your research, read reviews, and speak to an experienced investor before proceeding. Various Telegram communities are there guiding and sharing their personal experiences. Crypto gaming bulls is one of them. Know how to store your virtual currency. When you purchase crypto coins, you need to store them. You can choose a crypto wallet to stock up on an exchange or in a digital wallet, one of the cryptocurrency wallets described in the video. While there are several types of wallets, each has its advantages, technical and security requirements. As for trading, you should research your hosting options before investing. Diversify your investments. Diversification is at the heart of any correct investment strategy, and the same is true when investing in cryptocurrencies. For instance, you should not invest all your money in the Bitcoin network only because you know the name. There are thousands of options, and it is best to split your investment into multiple digital currencies. And if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.